Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Ledger Nano Flex, full guide. Plug in the Ledger Nano Flex with the provided cable and unlock it by choosing a secure PIN. Open Ledger Live and select Add New Device, then follow prompts for firmware and app installation. Write down the 24-word recovery phrase exactly as shown and store it offline in a safe location to protect your crypto. Pair your Ledger Nano Flex with Ledger Live and learn to manage multiple accounts effortlessly. Add the app for each cryptocurrency and create separate accounts to keep assets organized. When receiving funds, always verify the address on the device screen before sharing it. For sending, review the destination and amount on the hardware display and confirm with the device to ensure transactions are signed safely and treat the Ledger Nano Flex as the single source of truth for your private keys and protect it like a vault. Never enter your 24-word recovery phrase into a computer or phone, and never reveal it to anyone claiming to help. Regularly check for official firmware updates in Ledger Live and avoid third-party apps that request your phrase. Consider a metal backup for the recovery phrase and enable extra security steps if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.